Hi everyone, welcome to NA Creations. Today we are going to learn about the quilling coach. Quilling coach quilling tool is a handy tool which helps to keep the large tight coils breeze. And this tool is perfect for making miniatures, 3D figures and quilled jewelry as well. Come on, let's see how to use it. We need the quilling coach, white glue, slotted quilling needle, and some quilling strips. I'm using 6 number of 5mm strips. Stick the strips together using glue. Insert the slotted needle into the whole middle of the quilling coach. Now place the strip between the slot in the quilling needle and hold the strip as shown and start quilling. Quilling coach helps to maintain the center of the coil while curling. Further, it helps to keep track of the size of the coil needed for the whole project. Now take out the needle carefully and secure the end of the strip applying glue. Now you can see a perfect tight coil. Hope you enjoy the video today. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.